Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make easy money from home in your spare time. Stick around, you're going to want to see this. We'll be right back in just a few seconds. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com. And what we do here, if you haven't been here before, is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, general value videos on how to make money online. And once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too. Okay? Alright, so great. I'm glad you're here today. If this is your first time here today too, reach down and hit that subscribe button down there if you would. And don't forget to ding dong the bell so you get notified when we post new videos, okay? Alright, thanks. And alright, so today's video, as I mentioned before in the intro there, that I was going to show you an easy way to make money from home in your spare time, okay? And that's just what we'll get into right now, alright? So the site that I go to is an old staple site that's been around for a long time, and it's still good even for 2019. And a lot of people may already know this. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's Amazon's program where you can make money in your spare time doing tasks for other businesses who are looking for people to complete small tasks on their computer online at home. So you can certainly do this at home. Most of these don't require any technical skills or anything like that. I mean, you can work this into probably a full-time job with a company if they like your work, you know, I'm sure. But most of these are small tasks and simple tasks, and you can just complete them and get paid anywhere from about, I don't know, I think it's like $10 to $20 per job or per task that you complete. Okay, so here it says want to make money in your spare time, because Amazon and becoming an Amazon Mechanical Turk worker and start applying your skills to the thousands of available tasks in the MTurk marketplace. So I mean, if you have skills, you know, like if you're a computer programmer, you're good with data analysis, or anything along those lines, anything to do with computer. If you're good on the internet and with computers, you shouldn't have any problems doing this at all, really. There should have no problems getting in this at all. It says there's a lot of different things available on here. They get into image and video processing. And oh, by the way, you go to you want to make sure that you go to www.mturk.com /worker. Okay, otherwise when you come to mturk.com, it's like you're coming in as a business. Man, if you have a business and you want to hire people out to do tasks for you, that's great too. You can do it that way also. But this particular video is going to be about people that are looking to make money, so as a worker with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Alright, so but yeah, they get into, you can do, if you're good with image and video editing or processing, they handle that, and tells you a little bit about here about it and so on and so forth here. And the next category, they do data verification and cleanup. Companies with large online directories or catalogs use MTurk to identify duplicate entries and verify item details. Workers help clean and verify data by removing duplicate content, identifying incomplete duplicate product listings and catalogs, verifying restaurant details such as phone numbers and hours of operation, and converting unstructured data about locations into well-formed addresses. Here you can't see that where I'm in the road here, but right there, converting unstructured data about locations into well-formed addresses. So it tells you a little bit about each category here. Then they have information gathering. Of course, a lot of that's just browsing the internet and doing searches for information for companies that are looking for data. and that kind of thing. So you can get into that too. And then of course data processing. If you're workers help companies understand and respond to different types of data by editing and transcribing. If you have, like for example, if you're multilingual and you're able to speak in different languages, well, this could work for you especially well for that, I would think, because they're always needing transcribers to transcribe languages into. I mean, if you're fluent in, like, for say, Japanese or something, or some Asian language, and you're also fluent in English, why, you're a perfect fit for this work here at Amazon Mechanical Turk. And translating content from one language to another, all this is under the same thing. Rating the accuracy of search results and categorizing information based on instructions. So you can become a Mechanical Turk worker just by clicking the button here. Now, if you can up here at the upper right, you can click it too. So we'll click it. What it comes to is if you have a Amazon account already, then you just go ahead and sign into that. If you're like you have an associate's account and you market excuse me, and you market Amazon products like as an affiliate, then that account works for this also. Okay. And if you don't have an account, it's just simply come down here and click create your Amazon account right there, and then you'll be able to get in here anyway. So but I'll go ahead and sign in and see if it gives us anything different here. So see, yeah, I haven't fully registered my accounts yet because I'm in affiliate marketing, so this is really not for me. This is for you guys, anybody who's wanting to make quick extra money at home. Okay. But yeah, you just fill out your registration, and then you can check the qualifications here. I wonder what hit a banner rate. Oh, that's kind of like a back office there, and then your dashboard for what's approved, and you can see all these different things. If you're approved for a job, approval rate, the better you get. I'm sure the better you are, the more money you can make with this. If you're and if you don't have certain skills or whatever technicalities that they may require, you can easily acquire those for free on the internet. Probably on YouTube right here. You could just go YouTube and type in something that you want to learn about and find out about it. Somebody online is probably teaching what you want to know, and you can learn for free to get the skill for free, and then come back here to Amazon Mechanical Turk and do your work through there and make more money. I suppose that if I had to say this, that the more skills that a person has or technical abilities a person has, they're going to be able to make more money on Amazon Turk. But it doesn't require, you can still make money, and it's not required to have a lot of technical skills or anything like that. But if you do, hey, it's a plus, All right. So, anyways, that pretty much is how you do that. Just sign an account, and then you can start looking for work, and they'll apply. They'll hit you up for different work that they have available, and you can search around in their database too of work that's available here. To find work, search or browse through their human intelligence tasks called hits, and click on something that interests you, and then just accept the work and then complete the work by following the instructions. And when you're done, submit the work, and then get paid. And I think Amazon pays through PayPal, and they've probably got quite a few payments processors, so it's probably PayPal. I'm not sure, maybe even Amazon may even have their own by now. So Amazon's probably one of the most powerful websites on the planet anyway, so they probably have their own payment service or something, but definitely PayPal, I would think. Okay, but that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Just a quick video here to give you a little way to make money in your spare time on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay. Well, hey guys, if you like this video and give you some value here, reach down and hit that thumbs up button for me if you would. Also, don't forget to check out my #1 top business, recommended business, down there in the links, where you click on where it says mentorwithkev.com, and you can see my #1 rated business there, and get over $3,600 worth of free bonuses to check it out too. Okay. Also, there's plenty of other links down there in the description that'll help you. I got lots of videos that'll help you out and stuff, and you can even find free applications that'll help you. Like one is a photo application that's free, and it works really good for editing photos and things like that. Okay. Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. Thanks for coming back to the channel, and I'll catch you here in another couple days on the next video. Okay. See you guys later. You have a great day now. Bye bye.